Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today we're taking you around this approved used Audi Q5 Sport 40 TDI Quattro S Tronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Glacier white metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. With this being the 40 TDI, you get a 2-litre turbo diesel engine producing 201 brake horsepower, and you can expect to see 44.1 miles per gallon combined approximately. On the front are fitted these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 18-inch 5 twin-spoke dynamic design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that white metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the matte grey styling pack. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened from the key or the button under the Audi rings on the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The interior is finished in twin black leather for maximum luxury and comfort, with centre armrests for the rear passengers, as well as tri-zone climate control so they can set their own temperature. Both outer seats are fitted with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the leather multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats, also finished in twin black leather, and are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your wants and needs using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right, your volume and voice controls, mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left, your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display, you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, so you can change how it feels and what mood it suits you. Also fitted to this vehicle is the rear view camera with front and rear sensors to make parking even in the tight supermarket car parks all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the approved used Audi Q5 Sport 40 TDI Quattro S Tronic, available now at Stafford Audi in Glacier white metallic. If you have any questions, queries, or want to come and see the vehicle in person, simply come on down to the showroom or give a call to our dealership and speak to one of our friendly sales execs.